This is John Tucci with EverBlue Lakes. We're here at Lake Carmi, here to do the test fire of one of the two large lake aeration systems that's going into this lake in the next week. So we've got most of the land side done. Everything is wired and hot, and we are going to give you a sense as to how this compressor runs with the lid open, and then we'll close the enclosure and see what that sounds like. So you can see this is actually fairly quiet compressor technology in and of itself, but this is definitely like this, not the kind of noise we want to create around the lake. So now we'll go ahead and close the enclosure cover and see what difference that makes. So there you go. This is an EverBlue Lakes large 200 CFM landside aeration unit running. You can get a sense it's from 15 feet away. It's about the noise level of a window air conditioning unit. John Tucci, EverBlue Lakes, here at the Lake Carmi Aeration Project. Contact us at 269-383-3400 or visit us at everbluelakes.com.